today we are checking on the nest. I'm pretty sure it is day 32. They're like 12 to 11 days old. I think maybe 13 to 12 days old. Either one of those, I need to check back. But yeah, let's check on them. Okay, I'm getting on the trampoline. Okay, my mom had to take this stool, but you can still see them. Look at them! Oh my god! Look at them! Oh, that one's like almost completely with those feathers. I'm guessing they'll leave at like day 15, 16 for them living. Look at that. They're absolutely adorable. They are adorable. Yeah, and I only see I don't see 4 heads, because there's one right there, right there, and right there, back there. They are absolutely adorable. Okay, I hope they survive the rest of the time they are in the nest. There's a bird at the, see that little shadow? Huh. I think that might be the mom or the dad. Oh, it might be the dad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be coming back later today in like 1 second. Literally 1 second for you guys. So I'll see you in 1 second. But for me, it's hours, like hours.
15 hours later.
So it is nighttime, about 10 o'clock. I totally forgot to do it in daytime, but we are checking on them. Sorry, I still did not figure out how old they are. Yeah, okay. So their mom and dad haven't been showing up because they're older and they don't necessarily need them. Here they are. I'm pretty sure they're doing okay. They're just tucking. If only like this, like these branches like kind of closed up, then that would kind of help them. I have no idea what their age is, but we will figure that out soon. They're still alive. I'm pretty sure something bad happened to the 5th egg or chick. Like you don't even know, holy cow, where she is. Okay, let's really hope she is. Please pray for them, because it is like very windy. It's very windy. You can even hear the wind. It's really, really windy, so let's hope they are okay. I'm pretty sure tomorrow's a nice day and the rest of the week is. I'm pretty sure they'll leave soon in a couple of days, because it's that time where they're getting old enough to leave the nest. Okay, I will check back with you guys tomorrow. Let's really hope that they are okay. I wonder where the mom and dad are. They're probably like on a vacation or something. Because, yeah. Or maybe they're dead or something. I don't know. Let's hope they not. But they are okay. Let's hope they are okay. Here they are. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and pray for them. Let's really hope they survive. it's really, really windy. They seem to be doing okay. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get too windy outside. It's pretty cold. And hopefully it does not rain. Kind of looks like it's gonna rain, but I'm not sure. I don't think it will. Actually, maybe a little bit, but I'm not exactly sure. Okay, let's really hope they stay alive. And please like and subscribe for the next video and all the updates for them. I hope you guys have a great night or day. And I will see you tomorrow, guys, most likely. Bye.